Broke did something to my spirit, ass niggas to plug me, they act like they couldn't hear me. Look at me now, driving German engineering. You don't want your baby mama fucked, keep the hoe from near me. Kilroy, remember when I used to use your L's to hit the road, hit the O and make them big boy sales? Move, remember when you had them green things made with...
Well, as always guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, got some very minor, but I think very important stuff to do to the truck. So first off, thanks to the guys over at Snake River Performance for getting me the fleece all lights on module. Actually, it's pretty simple. Just a little chip that goes in there. You will reinstall the relays in their coordinating spots, and this will allow you to have your fog lights, low beams, and high beams on all at one time. Or normally, you could have your low beams and your fog lights on, but as soon as you turn your high beam on, it's going to turn the other stuff off. So, thanks again to Snake River Performance guys for getting that over to me, and Fleece Performance for making this cool little doodad here. I know some people use resistors and stuff, and I've done it that way in the past. I believe that this is a must-do for anyone with an 03 to 07 truck. That's just my personal opinion, but I'll leave that up to you. So with this, you're going to get this little card, and right here it's going to show the website link to Fleece for kit contents, installation instructions, and installation videos. So I went ahead and already did that. You'll see here, you have to scroll down a little bit, electronic instructions, GM all lights on, 03 to 07, Silverado Sierra. Go ahead and click on that. This will give you the diagram of your relay box under the hood of the truck of how to install this chip. So we're going to walk over to the truck and we are going to remove this. Now, in the instructions right here, it says remove relays labeled Fog LP HDLP-low DRL HDLP-high from the vehicle's fuse panel. So we're going to go ahead and look for that stuff right now. So right here is going to be your HDLP-high. So they say to remove that. So we did. We also need to remove DRL. So let's find DRL on here, which is this one. What else do we need to do? Fog LP. So let's find Fog LP. So it'll be this one right here. We need HDLP low, which is going to be this one right here. So in total we're going to have 4 of these, as you guys can see there. So now, we're going to grab this. We're going to bring this over here, and let's see here. This is going to drop in like maybe a few of these fuses aren't sitting in here properly. So that drops in there like that. So you're going to have this little cutout here that's going to be for the 2 fuses, or in my case 1. And then you're going to literally go ahead and put these back in where they came from. So this, we go back there. This one is going to go back here. This one's going to go back there. This one's going to go back here. Okay, so literally all we had to do was pull this, and this, added a fuse box under the hood. Then we just drop in the fleece plate and reinstall them. It's actually super simple, but at least I'd go over it since I have it for you guys anyways. So, let's try this out. So, go ahead and turn the key on. So we're gonna do that just for the testing purposes here. Now, shoot. So, we should fire high beams off right now. Yep, sure enough. Now we got them all on. So we are good to go there. This is awesome. So, normally every time I get in here I have to press the fog light switch to activate them. Now when the lights come on, the fog lights come on automatically, so I don't have to keep pressing the button or remembering to press the button every time I get in here. Awesome. Cool. So anyways guys, just wanted to show you that. Like I said, it's super simple, but I think it's important. At least I like it. Also picked up this cool white Mob Armor phone mount. Alright guys, well once again thanks to the guys over at Snake River Performance and Fleece for getting that stuff taken care of. It's $27.98 was shipped to my front door, so let's just say 25 bucks. I think it's a worthwhile investment and mod. Can't really go wrong with it for 25 bucks. So shout out to all the guys that helped me out. IWC Motorsports, Pure Nutrition, Riviera Motorsports, Nate at Rivco Motorsports, Duramax Nate, all those guys, each and every one of you, thanks for helping me out. It's greatly appreciated. I thought you guys would be able to do cool, simple videos like this. So anyways, as always, like and subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Thanks.